Have you ever pondered the secret powers of figs? A humble fruit, yet steeped in mythology and culture, and often hailed as a potent supplement for sexual vitality. Today, we delve into the intriguing topic of figs and their role in addressing sexual dysfunction. Figs have long been recommended as a natural remedy for sexual dysfunction, encompassing issues like sterility, endurance, and erectile dysfunction. This is a practice that dates back centuries, with figs often being referenced as a powerful fertility or sexual supplement. They have been revered in various cultures around the globe, their influence woven into myths and folklore. However, the real question we should be asking is this: are figs genuinely beneficial for sexual health, or is it all just a myth? The answer isn't as simple as a yes or no. The effectiveness of figs as an aphrodisiac is subject to debate. Some people swear by it, while others find it to be just a placebo effect. The probable reason behind the perceived sexual surge could be attributed to the rich array of vitamins and minerals present in figs. These nutrients could potentially result in a sudden boost in energy and stamina, which people might mistake for a sexual surge. A common practice involves soaking 2 to 3 figs in milk overnight and consuming them the following morning. This method is believed to enhance sexual abilities, although the scientific backing for this claim is limited. To summarize, figs are a nutrient-dense fruit that may potentially improve energy and stamina, which could be misconstrued as a boost in sexual prowess. While their role as an aphrodisiac is questionable, they are undeniably a healthy addition to your diet. Remember, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle for optimal sexual health. And as always, if you're experiencing any sexual dysfunction, it's important to seek professional medical advice. So, while we cannot declare figs as the ultimate solution for sexual dysfunction, they certainly hold a fascinating place in the realm of mythology and culture, and they make a nutritious snack. As with most things in life, moderation is key. Happy snacking!